Start whenever you want.
Start talking whenever you want.
So this is Mike the Installer, commonly known as MTI. He used to be called Mike the Punisher, but that was when he was younger. So now he's matured, he's got a job, and one of those jobs is doing Ikea cabinets, for which he spent 5 years doing. And he is going to demonstrate some things to us. Like, one of the things you can do is adjusting the drawers, which is unique to Ikea, apparently, because the hardware is made, it's called Blum,
or Bloom.
Bloom,
Sure,
and it's Austrian, so it's pretty cool to watch, and he will take his time doing it. And so he's going to find a drawer that needs some adjustment. And how do you do that, Mike?
Well, you push against it, and you can see, like, down here.
That looks terrible. That looks like it would drive a customer nuts.
A little sloppy. There's
a little sloppy down there. Okay.
Yeah. So what's unique to these cabinets, you can open these up, you turn this.
And what do you...
pushes the top.
Oh, you're turning this thing?
Yes.
Which changes this angle?
Yes, it's threaded inside here, and it pushes this out, and it'll plumb us up, so hopefully when we close it, you get nice, smooth, nice and tight. Nice
oh my
flat.
God. And how long did that take you? It took you about 15 seconds?
Yes.
With me chattering away?
Yes, and a lot of cabinets, you can't adjust them at all like that. They just come from the warehouse where they come from, and you're kind of stuck where they're at. So, it's a very unique system.
It is.
Then we can adjust these up and down each side.
And how do you do that?
On the side here, we have little holes.
Oh, these little guys here.
Yes.
Okay, and there's a screw in the back.
Yep, and we can raise this up and down.
So what's getting raised up and down?
The drawer face on the drawer.
This piece right here.
Yeah, the drawer face.
Oh, so it should, you turn it one way, it'll go up?
Up on the side, go down. That way we can get a constant gap.
Oh, so you get a nice gap.
Yes.
Okay, and what's this front one do?
The front one moves the door face left and right. So we get everything to line up perfectly.
You're shitting me.
Yeah, so lines are...
I guess I can't say that. You're shooting me. So you can adjust this thing back and forth, side to side, and up and down, with the screwdriver and your fingers.
Yes, it's a great system.
My God, but I thought IKEA cabinets were...
A lot of people think that.
Wow, that's impressive.
Yes, they're great cabinets.
So if someone had FaceTime, you could actually walk them through it.
Yes, I could, for a fee.
Oh, wait, that one...
Yep, we need to adjust this one a little bit.
A little bit. So you slide those forward. My gosh. Perfect.
Beautiful.
That's impressive.
We look to make sure we have a nice, even line there.
And if it wasn't even, we just know that you have that little screw that you can adjust.
Take this and lower this down a little bit.
Okay.
So we have a nice consistent line here. Consistent line here. Everything looks good.
Wow. And then you've got some sort of little cap that you put on those.
These little caps cover everything up, make it look nice.
All right.
And they make glass slide-ins that you can put in here too that look nice. So
Ooh, that sounds like a fun accessory.
Yes. And all kinds of things that fit in here perfectly.
Wow. So you don't even know it's there because it's all been trimmed out and looking good. Because I would not have known it was there if you hadn't shown me.
That's right here.
Wow, that is impressive. Dang. And do you have any cabinets that have lights in them right now that we could see that's in a dark room? Oh, in here. Okay. So this is... Oh my gosh. Look how bright that is. Do you have anything like in a bathroom that we could see?
Yes, we do.
All right, so we're coming into a very dark bathroom. Oh, light comes on. Light comes on. Oh my God, that is cool. And this drawer moves too?
Yes, it does. You have another drawer there. Lots of
Lordy.
toothbrushes. They shut off.
Save the planet.
Yes.
That's amazing. So I'm not the only person that thinks of you as a god.
Oh,
Wow. And then we were doing, show us these kick panels down here.
oh, the toe kicks.
The toe kicks, yeah.
So these just pop on and off.
Oh, what's this made out of?
Plastic.
Plastic. And it's the same color as the cabinets, and it's got these little C-rings that hook onto those
Legs.
So if you're the kind of person who really likes to clean, you could pull these off,
Yes.
clean your brains out, and then put them back
Or if a
on.
plumber or electrician need to run something underneath your cabinets, they can open this up and run stuff.
And that's not normal. With normal cabinets, you can't do that.
No. No, so this is a great system. And these are made in Italy as well.
Those are Italian?
Yes, Italian token.
I sensed their accent. That's what it was. That's impressive.
Yes, very nice.
I really like what you did with the hardware. Looks good.
Yeah, nice and simple. Two
Very
handles on the bigger cabinets.
Very clean design. Yeah.
We have
And
two
then-
on top now.
And then you had a remote control in the other room for an under cabinet light.
I have to plug it in.
Oh, we'd have to plug it in.
Yes.
Well, do you have the time to
I
do that?
suppose I do.
All right. We like to demonstrate this in the dark because, of course, oh, there's the remote. Ooh, that's the remote. So this must be on, off, dim, bright, and these other two arrows. Oh, look at the lights.
Give it a shot.
Well, no, I'm going to have you demonstrate it over here because in the light.
So this here will dim them down for mood lighting in your mudroom.
It's very important. I hear this all the time. I wish I had mood lighting in my mudroom. Then it gets bright and then on, off.
And this is your on and off. And these buttons here don't do anything with these lights, but you can buy Ikea light bulbs that these work with and will change colors. Red, blue, other colors as well, I'm not
Now,
sure.
does this control run the lights in the other room, or is it just paired with this
Just
set?
paired with this room. You'll have a different one for your kitchen.
And so same thing that you could pair it with light bulbs in specific. You could have one light bulb
Yeah, for one remote.
paired with this remote, or you could have 6 light bulbs.
Yes.
Wow, this Ikea is good stuff,
Have
man.
it down.
So dim the lights for me again. A little more, a little more. Oh wait, now I'm feeling a little sad. A little up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Up, 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 up. That's impressive. All right, folks. You saw it here
Got
first.
some trim on here now.
Ooh, nice trim.
Hides the lights.
Hides the lights. It's a very classy look.
Yeah.
For a mudroom.
Yeah, and there's pieces of trim in the kitchen too now. Of trim.
Wow. So the kitchen does the same thing. Except we can't show it very well because 1, we don't have power, and 2, it's really bright. That's impressive. Oh, wow. All right. Folks, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Everybody have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.